You've probably heard of Neon, right? The sleek card, the promise of fee-free transactions, and the overall aura of modern banking. But let's get real for a second. How much does this shiny new toy actually cost you? We're diving deep into Neon's fee structure, especially when it comes to currency exchange. Think about it. You're on vacation in Bali, sipping a coconut and dreaming of that perfect surf break. You pull out your Neon card to pay for your sunset dinner, and a tiny part of your brain wonders, am I getting charged for this? It's a valid question, and we're here to answer it. Now, Neon does a fantastic job of selling itself as fee-free. And to be fair, it is, for a lot of things. But currency exchange is a different ball game. Let's break down the costs. First, there's the exchange rate. Neon uses the MasterCard exchange rate, which is generally pretty decent. But it's not always the best. There might be better rates out there, especially if you're exchanging large sums. So, while Neon doesn't slap an extra fee on top of the exchange rate, you're still paying what MasterCard charges. Next up, ATM fees. Neon offers a couple of free ATM withdrawals per month in Switzerland. But once you hit that limit, you're looking at a 2 Swiss francs fee per withdrawal. Not terrible, but it's something to keep in mind. If you're traveling and relying heavily on cash, this could add up. And then there are international ATM fees. These are a bit steeper. Neon charges a 1.5% fee on top of whatever the ATM operator hits you with. So, while it's not the worst, it's definitely something to consider if you're planning on withdrawing cash frequently while abroad. But it's not all doom and gloom. Neon has its perks. There are no monthly fees, no transfer fees within Switzerland, and you can send money internationally through Wise with a reduced fee. So, it's not a bad deal overall. The key is to understand where the costs lie. It's about being aware of the exchange rates, knowing when to use your card and when to withdraw cash, and understanding the fees involved. Neon is a great tool, but like any financial product, it's essential to use it wisely. So, does Neon charge for currency? Technically, no. But there are costs involved. It's about weighing those costs against the benefits and deciding if it's the right fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.